Alright, here's what I do in my spare time. I eat Laffy Taffy, doing strawberry. Hang on, guys. Okay. What did the shoulder say to the arm? How are you hanging? We can go dirty with that too. It could be, what could the... what do you call a nun sleepwalking? Oh boy, I'm going to hell for this. Sorry, Joe. A Roman Catholic, because she's Roman. Okay.
Ah.
Alright, checking my mail. I'm gonna write my next door neighbors a letter, because it seems like every day they block our car out in the street. We got a problem now. It's like my guy, a shirt with another man on it. Yeah. How about? They got my name on it.
Yeah.
We wrote this song, so it's kind of like I'm wearing my own shirt. Hey, I just found out. I said a while ago that I'm Dave Harris. I'm checking my mail. I'm Dave Harris, and I'm proud to be a DHP. You guys told me that I can't be a DHP. So I'm all about loopholes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to befriend another guy named Dave Harris. I'll check his ID, make sure it's real, and then I'm going to call him my pal, and I'll be a Dave Harris pal. Not paying that. Not paying that. I'm going to blow him up in the Best Buy. Make me confident Best Buy. I'm a silver member there. Got some silver status, so got a lot of money there. Wow. Honey, it's like having a geek always with you.
Already? Oh.
I'm talking about you or me?
You.
Okay. We'll see you guys. That's the little vlog for the day. Checking my mail, that's all.
Right.
Nothing funny about that.